Hi guys, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. If you are new to our channel, we want to take you in on the business that we run here at Living Life Barefoot, and that is Barefoot Microgreens. Actually a microgreens farmer, so I grow microgreens for restaurants, coffee shops, and my local community. And last year we even grew for the farmers market. We also have microgreen grow kits, as you can see here. So we are actually filling orders today, so I thought it'd be the perfect time to walk you through our grow kit. So this is the second part of our business. We like to teach people and share about the microgreen love, how they can grow microgreens literally on their kitchen counter, on their front porch. Just a small space is needed. So microgreen grow kits would be perfect for people maybe that live in the city and would love to have a garden and maybe don't have the space for it. Maybe you live in an apartment and you've always dreamed about having a garden, but again, still don't have the space. Or maybe you're just way too busy to have a garden. Microgreen grow kits would be perfect for you. Even the people that live in the city, they have more options, more markets to go to get that fresh produce. But sometimes it's just really nice, and it's a really good feeling to be able to grow your own, to have that fresh produce right at your fingertips, right on your kitchen counter. After you grow them, you could literally just harvest them off and put them straight onto your plate. You are getting maximum nutrition. You're growing a superfood for you and your family. You're getting all the vitamins and minerals and nutrition that our bodies desperately need. So I'm gonna just share with you what our grow kits are about, kind of what's included. Actually, before we get into the kits, I wanna share a little something else with you guys and what's going on right over here. Microgreens are really awesome for kids as well. They're super easy to grow. It doesn't take long at all. So the boys decided that they're gonna put together mini grow kits for kids. And they would love to teach little kids how to grow food as well. So right now they are working on their little business. They're packing their soil that goes in their little kits. And you guys wanna tell them a little bit about your kits, or?
Sure. So the variety of seeds we're going to be having is sunflower and pea shoots. They're the easiest to grow, and I think they taste the best.
Yeah.
We have, it's pretty much the same as the bigger kits. It's just a mini version. Mm-hmm. They're smaller trays, they're smaller dirt bags. We have little spray bottles that you can spray the dirt with to get the soil nice and wet, and then put the seeds on.
Yep, so you got a little spray bottle you're including in your kits. You guys are gonna put together a little instructional booklet. You wanna tell them a little bit about that, because that's super cool. We've tried to gear it towards the kids.
So the booklet is gonna be kind of like a coloring book.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like different pictures you guys can color in and just have fun with. Yeah, and also follow along and learn how to grow little microgreens. Very cool. And so we are getting ready to open these little mini grow kits. They're naming it Little Bros Micros. And where can they first find these little grow kits? Doug and Stacy's conference.
Yeah, we're going to a conference this spring, and we're gonna roll out the mini kits, so they'll be available there. If you guys are super interested in these, let us know in the comments. If you would like to see these, go to our online store so you could purchase them online. But we're gonna roll them out at the conference first and see how well they go over, but I think they're gonna go over super good.
Yeah.
Yep, so they're just about finished up with their kits and all the things that are going inside them, and we're gonna put them together, and they're pretty excited to get these out. They're also gonna make a video.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're gonna make a video walking the kids through how to grow each variety as well.
It's not working.
And we'll probably put that on their YouTube channel.
So that bag's not working.
That bag's not working?
No.
All right, well, get back to work.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not actually gonna take you through a planting on the microgreen grow kits. I just kind of wanted to share with you what is included. So this is actually a double kit that we're sending out, but you will, sorry, I'm gonna take it apart.
It's all right.
This is the guy behind the kits. He puts all the kits together for you guys.
2 of those.
So you're gonna get 2 sets of trays without holes and 2 sets with holes. In my videos that I've made for the kits, it'll explain the difference and what you'll do with the 2 separate trays there. You're gonna get 3 varieties of seeds. We went with these varieties because, one, they were the most popular in my microgreens farm. They're the most nutritious and they're pretty simple to grow. All microgreens are really simple to grow, but these are our top 3 that we decided to put in the kits. So that is salad mix. This one you're gonna get the most bang for your buck because it has broccoli, kale, cabbage, kohlrabi, and arugula in it. It is a wonderful blend. You're gonna get microgreen broccoli. This is wonderful because it has sulforaphane in it. If you're not familiar with sulforaphane, go check it out, but it is a cancer fighting property that is found in broccoli. Super important. Everybody should have this in their diet, and when you grow it in the microgreen form, you're getting so much more. Sunflower shoots. This is a really fun one to grow. It's really easy. It's kind of different than these smaller microgreens. It's a little bit bigger. It has a nice nutty flavor. Everybody loves the sunflower shoots, so we decided to put this in our kits. We have a quick reference guide that you can refer back to anytime that you need to during your grow. We have a fun little microgreen, Barefoot microgreen sticker, because who doesn't like a sticker? You can throw this on your water bottle. I put together a booklet. Now this isn't really an instructional booklet. It won't walk you through the planting. It just tells you a little bit about microgreens, their nutritional value, why you should be including them in your diet, why you should grow them yourself. So it's a nice little booklet just to learn a little bit about the microgreens. I did go ahead and put together a very thorough instructional videos that walk you through the entire process of growing your microgreens, from planting them to caring for them, harvesting, and even how you can include microgreens with your meals. All you do on the back of this booklet is scan this QR code and it'll take you directly to those videos. Now, you can't access these videos on our YouTube channel because they're specifically for the grow kit. I thought that would be special just to keep with the grow kits. We do have tons and tons of microgreen videos that we have put out on our YouTube channel, but this is just specifically for the kits. We also include a bag of soil. This will allow you to grow 2 rounds of microgreens. Now, when you run out of the soil, unfortunately, you can't reorder that through us. We're working on that maybe in the future, but there's a lot of good quality germination mixes that you can get locally. Pro Mix is a good one, Sungrow's a good one, just to name a few, because that's a big question I do get asked. And then your grow kits come inside these cute little canvas bags. These are perfect to, store your kits in when you're not using them, or even take them to your local farmer's market when you're going to get some good produce. Let's talk a little bit more about the seed varieties. Once you run out of the seeds, or once you've planted these seeds, you can actually reorder them through us. We have several options. You can do single orders. We have a variety pack, and you can also set up a subscription so you can get seeds monthly and continue to grow your microgreens. We also came out with a new variety. We haven't included it in the kit, but you can buy it separately, and that is the pea shoots. Those are a wonderful microgreen to grow. They're just as easy, just as nutritious. They're really cool. They grow super tall. Kids absolutely love them. So we definitely thought we would go ahead and add that variety in. And we also came out with our own produce harvesting knives. Now you can harvest your microgreens however you want to, but this makes it super easy, super fun. Whether you're just growing from home with your kids or you're an actual microgreens farmer, these produce knives are the bomb. They're super sharp and it makes for a quick, easy, and fun harvest. So go ahead and check those out too. Now, like I said, if you're new here, you can go check all of this out at barefootmicrogreens.com. We also have started teaching workshops locally. So when people buy the kits, I'll set up a workshop, get a nice little group together, and we'll walk through and do a nice hands-on planting, and I'll teach them along the way. So that's been super fun as well. And we also will be at 3 conferences that we know of this year. So if you would like to come see us, so make sure you go to the Homestead Life Conference and grab your tickets. This spring is the first one that we will be at. It's in May 17th and 18th, I think. So we will have our kids there. I'll be speaking on microgreens. The boys will be rolling out their mini kits there for the first time. We'll have our booth set up, so we'll have all of this stuff there available for you guys. And I would be excited and happy to meet you guys. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I just wanted to do a really quick video, if you guys were new here, to explain what we do here at Living Life Barefoot with our Barefoot Microgreens business. Make sure you subscribe to our channel on the way out, like this video, and share it with your friends as well. Also, something really cool that we are working on before we leave, I wanted to just leave this here to see if anybody would be interested. We are starting an affiliate program. So if this is something that you're interested in, that you would love to share with your followers, let us know in the comments, or send me an email at barefootmicrogreens@gmail.com. We would love to chat with you guys and see if we could do a really cool partnership and see what we can do for your followers. So send me an email, like I said, and I'd love to chat with you guys. See you later.